I thought first half I wasn't happy. You know, we were a bit too slow and deliberate in our play. Kept turning down the opportunities to get switches of play because, you know, Waterhouse wanted to stay narrow and compact. It gave us a lot of space in the wide areas, but for some reason we kept turning it down.
Yeah, Monday, Thursday and Sunday again. Shorten squad, you have players in Jamaica national team, players after Guyana. I mean, how are you managing to keep the team balanced and still keep the results?
It's down to the players, you know. They've shown me they're really adaptable, and basically, they're working hard for each other and for the team.
Yeah, and I also noticed that you played Devante a little deeper today. You made a substitution and played him a little deeper. How did you think he performed in the deep line position today?
Yeah, it's new to him. I mean, you know, any system depends on the players you put in it. So he was sort of playing as a wing back, but I wanted to be more attacking in the second half. You know, a little tough. He had done nothing wrong really, but you know, I wanted to be a bit more offensive the second half. So I put Dev on.
Yeah, coach, keep up the good work. I mean, you have turned things around. Looking forward to seeing you in the playoffs and in the finals.
Hopefully, yeah.